All right, with this YZ 250, he said it's not cranking. So, from what I see, it definitely don't have that much compression. And then it sounds like it's knocking a little bit while I'm trying to kick it. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the top end off. And it's either, it could be the crank and piston, or probably just the piston, but it sounds like the crank since it's knocking. But we're gonna see what's going on. Finally got the top end and everything off, and it's definitely what I thought it was. The crank is definitely over with. The crank is done. The crank done. He definitely gonna need a new piston. But his reeds is still perfect. The reeds don't got no cracks on them. Still perfect. His cylinder still perfect. His cylinder don't got no scuffs or scratches, or deep scratches in it. So yeah, he definitely gonna have to need an engine rebuild.